Hello beautiful people, see what I found in German supermarket. It's fresh yeast and today I am trying to make bread out of it. So let's start. I first measure the bowl so that my measurements won't go wrong. I took 10 to 12 grams of fresh yeast, 150 to 180 ml of lukewarm milk. Add milk in yeast, add 1 teaspoon of salt and sugar which will help yeast rise better. Keep it aside for 5 minutes. Then in a bowl, take 500 grams of whole wheat flour. Add milk to it. Now mix. I've also added little bit of olive oil. You can use vegetable oil. Now mix until a nice dough is ready. And let it rest for few hours or overnight so the flour can rise nicely. Wow, my flour has risen so nicely. Now it's time to beat it again or to make a dough out of it again. After that, I have added some roasted onions, jalapenos and some seeds. You can add whatever you like or you can skip this step. It's completely optional. Give it a shape as you like and then let it rest again for 1-2 hours. Preheat the oven. I always use low mode and bake it at 180 degrees. It will approximately take 30 to 40 minutes for me, but please keep checking. Ta-da! Your bread is ready. Now let it cool and it's ready to test. Give it a try and let me know how do you find my recipe. See you for the next one. Bye.